Hello everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to fix touchpad not working on Windows computer, either on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This process is very simple. In less than 3 minutes guys, you are good to go. The first thing you have to do is to go straight to the device manager on your PC. Right click on Windows icon here, click on device manager here. Once you click on device manager, it comes out like this. Then go to mice and other pointing devices. Click this arrow and expand it. You may likely have one or two here. Now all you have to do here is to update the drivers. Click on it, then right click on it, click on update drivers. Then select search automatically for drivers. Wait for this. If it says the best driver for your device are already installed, then good, close this one. Repeat the same process for this one. Right click again, update driver, click this one, then wait for it. And if it brings this out, then you are good to go. Now you can now close this place and see if it fixed the touchpad on your device. And if it does not fix the touchpad, then let's go and do the second process. Come to this human interface devices, expand it as well. Once you expand it, you have different options here. Here, locate and click on HID compliance touchpad. You can see it is not here on my device. It means that driver is missing. Now go to this place where you see view, click on it. Then go and click on show hidden devices. Click on it. Once you click on it, then locate and see if you have that drivers here. If the driver is not here, it means that driver is not on your device. Then you may not likely be able to fix that on this process. Now all you have to do is to still watch this video. In case you have the driver here, let's say this is the touchpad driver, or let's say this is the touchpad but this HID compliance system controller, let's say this touchpad driver. Click on it, then right click on it, click on update, then click on scan for update. Then if it brings this, then this is good. Then you'll be able to update that driver. And in case it is not here, like it is not here, then it's very easy to do. Close this window. Now go to your browser and open a new page. Now here, type in the name of your device. My own is HP. Let's say HP drivers download. So once you click on that, then you're going to have access to the official website of that devices you are using. And my own is HP laptop. You can see I have the official website here. Then click on this one to open it. Once you click on it to open it, then come to this place. I'm using laptop. Click on this laptop button. If you use desktop, click on desktop. Now you have yourself at this place. Now enter your device name here, or use this one to help detect your device. So enter your device name here, search for the driver and install. So once you install the driver, then restart your PC. This should be able to fix that issue for you. And that is all guys on how to fix touchpad not working on Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.